Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your BMW 1 Series. First, gather your essential tools: a socket wrench, an oil filter removal tool, and a suitable drain pan. Next, ensure you have the correct type and quantity of new engine oil, typically around 6½ liters, along with a fresh oil filter. Finally, safely lift your vehicle using jack stands or ramps, ensuring it is stable and level. Now, let's drain the old oil. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Using the correct size socket wrench, carefully remove the oil drain plug. Allow ample time, typically 10 to 15 minutes, for all the old engine oil to completely drain out. Once drained, inspect the drain plug and replace its crush washer to ensure a leak-free seal when you reinstall it. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Use your specialized oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter housing. Before installing the new filter, lightly lubricate its rubber gasket with a little fresh oil. Screw on the new filter, hand tightening it, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn with the wrench. Finally, add the recommended amount of fresh engine oil through the filler cap. You're almost done. Lower your BMW and start the engine, letting it run for a few minutes. Carefully check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle, then verify the oil level using the dipstick. Top up if needed. Remember, regular oil changes are crucial for engine longevity. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.